Fluffy and sweet, Belgian waffles are world famous. Here in the Galerie du Roi shopping arcade in Brussels, Sébastien Mattagne is giving the waffle a gourmet makeover.
So as you can see here, we're trying to change completely the idea that people have of the original Brussels waffle, just with sugar, and we're transforming it into something savoury.
Since 2019, the Gaufres Waffles restaurant has been turning the traditional snack into a proper meal, experimenting with unusual flavor combinations. Sébastien Mattagne runs the business side of things, but the recipes are the brainchild of his father, Michelin-starred chef Yves Mattagne.
Bonjour chef.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Ça va?
Donc j'ai vu cette gaufre et j'ai eu un tilt, comme on l'appelle, et j'ai mis des algues dedans. Donc comme moi j'avais un restaurant que poisson, j'étais parti sur les produits de la mer et je me dis je vais servir ça avec mon caviar à la place des blinis. Et ça a marché au premier coup. Un petit peu de zeste de citron pour amener un peu d'acidité et j'étais parti dans la réalisation d'une gaufre salée. Et puis alors mon fils et des amis à lui qui m'ont dit tiens mais pourquoi on ne ferait pas un concept de gaufre salée? Salé, sucré. J'ai dit oui, pourquoi pas, on peut travailler dessus et voilà.
In the kitchen, Gaufres Waffles chef Lauren Herzfeld follows the classic waffle recipe.
We add sugar, eggs, the melted butter, and let's go. It makes all the difference with quality ingredients, biological ingredients, and local ingredients.
But the traditional approach stops there. It's time to break the mold. You won't find these creations in any Belgian cookbook. This waffle, topped with a 3-cheese espuma and truffle cream, is an adventurous alternative to the ham and cheese sandwich. Peking duck with foie gras make for a veritable gourmet experience, and adding avocado and Thai dressing is a waffle first. Even some sweet toppings are unfamiliar. Here, Japanese yuzu sorbet sits alongside caramelized apple, and candy is scattered onto Belgian chocolate. The recipes are inspired by Mattagne's world travels, but he also draws on local flavors.
Alors ici on va faire un grand classique de la cuisine belge. Alors, on va remplir les grands carrés de américain. On ajoute une sauce dedans, de mayonnaise, la base, et d'autres ingrédients que je vous dirai pas, secrets. Ah non, chacun a ses secrets. Hein. On va ajouter des oignons, des cornichons sucrés, un petit peu de capre, un petit peu de persil frais et un peu de cressonnette. La gaufre, voilà. Toast cannibale au toast américain. Voilà, tout simple.
The new wave waffles, which cost up to 16 euros, offer a taste of adventure for many.
The mix of sweet and salty is amazing. Very good.
It's a bit different, yeah. I didn't try that. I really couldn't resist the chocolate.
I like it. I like it.
With 4 locations in Brussels, the team hopes to keep experimenting with new culinary possibilities, taking the waffle from a snack time treat to an haute cuisine experience.